ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Paul's Train Vlogs. I'm Paul White. I'm currently at Central waiting on for the arrival of Red Lady F1, and while 36, 42 and 44.9 will be arriving on platform number 2. So it shouldn't be too far off. So sit back, relax and enjoy the arrival of the Red Lady F1.
Train now approaching platform number 4 is the Red Lady. We ask all customers to please remain behind the yellow line until the train has come to a complete stop. Please stand clear alongside platform number 4. Please remain behind the yellow line until the train has come to a complete stop.
There she is, ladies and gentlemen, the lovely Red Lady F1. Anyway guys, it's time to wrap up the vlog. Please subscribe to Paul's Train Vlogs. Please feel free to like and favourite my videos. Thank you for watching Paul's Train Vlogs. I will see you in the next video. Until next time, it's goodbye for now.